Here we're going to use the DESMOS calculator to find the inverse of matrices. So here on the left you see a problem where I'm giving you matrix A and I want to know what A to the negative 1 power is. This is the symbol for inverse. So if you go to the DESMOS.com calculator with a backslash matrix, this is what it will look like here on the right. So what you do is you just click New Matrix. You need to define your matrix into the calculator. This one has 3 rows and 3 columns. And so it gives you the skeleton of a matrix. I just need to enter the numbers in. So you can use your keyboard like I do, or if you like using the mouse, you can click and use the buttons up here on the screen. But once you have defined your matrix, you need to create a new line to tell the calculator what you want to do with that matrix. So you click that blue arrow button in the bottom right corner, looks like the return button. And then I have matrix A and I want to find the inverse. So there is a button here with the -1 exponent. That is the inverse button. You click that if you want to find the inverse of matrix A, or if the matrix you defined was matrix C, you just put C and you click that same button. So this is the inverse of matrix A. If you are given 2 matrices and you want to know if they are inverses of one another, you can tell if they are because their determinants will be reciprocals. So remember reciprocals, like the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. You just flip the numerator and the denominator. These are reciprocals. Or if you have 3, which is like 3/1, the reciprocal is 1/3. You're just flipping the numerator and the denominator. So if I was given these 2 matrices and I want to know if they are reciprocals, I can add a line here. So I'm going to press the return button in the bottom right corner. And I'm going to say, what is the determinant of matrix A? So if I press the DET button, that's the determinant button of A. And I see it's 1. So now I'm going to define this inverse matrix. So I'm going to say new matrix, and I'm going to just create it here and type it in. And I can see what is the determinant of this matrix. So the determinant of B. And we see it is also 1. So this is an odd example that I've picked, but are 1 and 1 reciprocals? Think about that. 1 is the same as the fraction 1/1. So if I were to flip that fraction, I would get 1/1. So this does prove these are reciprocals of one another, and the calculator did accurately create the inverse of matrix A as this.